gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a denim haul. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is the Walk of Fame ankle jeans. The size is 7 and the price is $20.99. And I chose the wrong time to record this video, guys. After Thanksgiving, I just ate, but I can do my squats in my jeans. It's not too tight. I don't remember the name or the price of these jeans. I purchased these like May or June and I'm just trying them on, guys. So even if they're big or small, I can send it back because the time already passed and I'm wearing a small. These jeans can hold my entire family. That's so baggy it is. I'm just kidding you all. And I have this in the size small. You can have my second sport thing, don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real. So stay in check. This is the classic high waist skinny jeans. And I have a size 5 and the price is also $20.99. And I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did, so you better stop playing with me. This is Alfreda medium denim high waist distressed skinny jeans. The price of this jeans was $60 and I got 40% off, so I ended up paid $36. And this is from Chic Couture online and I have it in a small. And the jeans are full of room. I can dance, I can exercise, I can do all of that stuff even though I just ate, guys. But it turns out ugly.
You were everything to me. Words and memories are wasted. They don't capture what you mean.
This is Fashionnova glistening jeans. I have the size 5. The price was $23.99.
Love tells you restful.
Guys, if you know Fashionnova jeans, you know they're really comfy. I can wear size 3, 5, 7, and 9. It all depends on the material of the jeans. If you want to get those booty rocking, guys, get yourself a Fashionnova jeans.
Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with other angels.
This is the same glistening jeans, just a different color, and the size is also the same.
Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading.
As you can see here, I can dance in my jeans with no problem. So guys, get yourself a Fashionnova jeans. Next, we're on to Temple Distress jeans. I have the size 7 and the price of this was $14.99.
Stay in heaven. You were my angel in life.
I really like this jeans. I love the color and I am a fan of this dress jeans. I like my jeans to be holy as in the Holy Ghost.
Heart, you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky.
Now we're on to the final piece, and guys, this is a set from Ms Bling. I don't remember the name of the top or the name of the jeans. All I know, the top is a size small and the jeans is a size 3. It's a size 3 and it fits really well. Oh, I like my jeans. It is not too tight even though it's squeezing down my buttocks. And you know I want that booty to shake. Oh, I'm just kidding, guys. The material of the top is really top-notch quality. It fits good and I like it.
Tonight, you dance.
Guys, if you made it this far and haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? If you like this video, leave your girl a thumbs up and I'll talk to you guys later.
Dark